This is Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 4. Coverage you can count on.
New light is being shed on the 2022 murder of a tourist in the Championsgate community. Jeremaih Brown was killed just 2 days into his visit to Central Florida. His family says Championsgate is partly to blame because they were aware of security issues before they happened. Channel 9's Felicia Ashley has new details on the crime and the settlement the family received.
Jeremaih Brown was staying within Championsgate while vacationing here in Central Florida. That's when investigators say the two suspects got in through a broken gate here at the security checkpoint. That's when they carjacked, shot, and then threw Brown out of his vehicle. This surveillance video shows the moment two suspects sped into Championsgate, a complex filled with tourists renting properties.
His life was just beginning.
Minutes later, 22-year-old California tourist Jeremaih Brown was killed.
He came to Florida to celebrate becoming a certified forklift driver. He was on vacation for the attractions and the amusement park. He wasn't even here 2 full days when he was killed.
Terrell Johnson and Jimmy Robinson III were 20 and 17 years old at the time. They were arrested. The family filed a lawsuit against Championsgate's security company.
In the years and months leading up to Jeremaih's murder in July of 2022, Championsgate and this subdivision had become the target for criminals preying upon innocent tourists.
Arrest documents revealed Johnson was part of an Apopka gang and was involved in 11 crimes in Championsgate leading up to Brown's murder.
I always feared to get that call at 1 a.m. in the morning telling me that my child is gone, and that's exactly what happened.
On the day Brown was killed, the suspects drove past Championsgate security through the exit lane. Brown was driving down the street when deputies say they attacked him, shooting him, then throwing him out the vehicle.
I hope these companies learn from their mistakes so that murder can be prevented.
The two suspects were not charged with Brown's murder. Instead, they were charged for accessory after the fact and grand theft. Johnson is set to be released next year, and Lee, now 19, goes to trial for his charges next month. The family settled with the security company for $2 million. Reporting in Davenport, Felicia Ashley, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.